First shot.
What?
Yeah, flow up. Continue the flow.
More often.
No.
Over there. Yeah.
Super, you will get one of them.
Alright, ready? Alright, quiet on the set. Rolling first shot. Action.
I'm supposed to be starting.
Cut. Stay there.
Me too. Was hoping more than after me intense.
Rolling. Action.
I said it already.
Yeah, man, no.
You check your. How was it?
She better.
And you're gonna say check your.
Check your
I say yeah, bro.
Oi, oi.
And then me and the pick her.
I saw it that do a while ago.
No, no, that no, this me no want the light. Look,
Oh.
terrible.
I'm going right there next
You
to
hear
Yeah.
nine voices.
Yeah.
You hear say.
Mm-hmm.
Him
ready, yeah.
Alright, cheers.
Just stay there.
I again our shot. Ready?
Rolling. Action. Rolling. Action.
But do this more often, bro. We truly celebrate life. But we pay homage to our dear God. Dyslexia. Oh. Yeah, man.
Solution.
But she's just too busy comparing with you. That's because she never know nothing about dyslexia. She never understand that.
Rolling. Action. Yeah, back to the laugh. Action. Cut. Hold on, let me see another shot. Yeah, that's shit. Alright, pass. You out of the shot? Go back in. Yeah, go in the room. That's it. Alright.
So just walk and see. Step on.
2:49.
Beat the 3 o'clock boat on my side.
And Shelly said, make sure no matter what you do, if you leave with 3 o'clock.
Wait, what time is it say a while ago? 2:49?
Yeah.
And at 2 o'clock with that drive coming in?
Yeah, man, it doesn't bad. I have no doubt about. Oh, what go on? People! Something. My bartender supporters, bartender fans, subscribers, all out. We're gonna have a roller coaster season coming. Roller coaster season. This season, body. Look here, I think we're outdo ourselves this season. We're outdo ourselves. You think them can? Yeah, I don't think we can do better than this. I think we're going to give them medication on the march this season. Let's say, man. Look at them, man. Some things are going to happen. We're going to twist up on the tribe, twist up on the heart. We're not going to ball, we're not going to laugh. Suspense. I'm not talking about the singer in the show. And entertainment non-stop, of course, you know that. That's our #1 priority, to educate. Yes? Definitely.
Yes,
But we have to educate. Keep it locked, man. Keep it locked.
Bartender season 9, what was it, 9 or 10?
We know, you know, a whole heap of show.
We are going to blow your socks off. Trust me.
Yeah.
As I'm saying, we're going to skate on the toll up on the road. You understand? Big up.
The Wallaces. Come, bro.
You need to clean up this situation with Carlton Wallace and the agent.
Seriously, who could take a shot like that?
Because if that comes out, the agency's done.
I need you to find me a place where I can lay low for 2 weeks until I deal with some unfinished business.
What's that?
Killing Carlton Wallace.
I know you're loyal to Mr. Mullins and the agents.
We need to be very discreet with any move we make.
I need to put a leash on him.
What going on for me? A few mil.
Oh no, go and get rid of Mr. Mullins long time. Because when they can't control him, you still stuck at Uno.
So me, never make you feel special.
Tell me something. You know the person your mother involved with?
Tell him say if him go to the police, I go read about him.
I tell her I said, I'm not just the man who I see her phone on.
Just sign on the blank space upon the phone.
And that I can't take with Uno boy, you know. And then I have no approach.
How you style as boy? Girl.
Who you say that boy? How you doing?
Ease yourself, not me.
No matter do nothing stupid.
Ah, man. I'm not going to do nothing stupid.
All is well?
Yeah.